This is my owner's review of the Phixton Tactical Zooming Rechargeable Flashlight. I bought this about 6 months ago from Amazon. This flashlight has a zoom feature. It has bright. It has medium. It has low. It has the repeating flash. And the next feature I really love, it has a built-in SOS. If you're ever broke down on the road or out in the forest and you get hurt, you have that automatic SOS mode. It comes with a charging box. It comes with a charging cable. It comes with a cigarette lighter recharger, and it comes with a battery pack where you can use regular batteries. If you're going to be out camping or something, of course, rechargeable batteries that are already in my flashlight, but then you can take regular batteries with you if you don't have a way to charge the flashlight. And the box it comes with for $20 is truly amazing. Also, it comes with a scope mount. I have my scope mount mounted on my Umarex hammer. This is a 50 caliber PCP air rifle, and this flashlight will just clip right in there. This thing is truly amazing, this flashlight. I bought it off Amazon, and I would recommend, if you're looking for a tactical flashlight that only comes in white for $20, actually $19.99, the Phixton Tactical Flashlight is truly worth the investment. Charging the rechargeable batteries that come with the flashlight is relatively easy. It comes with the charging cable and a charging box. Of course, the first thing you do is plug the cable into the charging box. You simply pull out the zoom ring. This is for zooming in and out. And when you flip the flashlight over, right there you will notice a little hole. Then you take your cable and you simply put it inside of that little hole, like that. You will notice that the charging cable has turned green. That's simply showing that the cable's good. It's feeding voltage back from the rechargeable batteries. Again, you plug that in, it's still green. Obviously, the next step is simply plug it in. But you'll notice that light turned red. Now, when that light turns green, those rechargeable batteries are completely charged.